Hi, I'm Jen Radicone. I'm the Chief Operations Officer for Habitat for Humanity of Dutchess County, and I also supervise our home buying program. And we are here in the city of Poughkeepsie at one of our newly finished homes that's going to a single mom and her two daughters. What's really incredible is the care and amount of service that gets provided by the brothers that just do gutters when they're putting things on our house, whether it's educating staff on what's going on or providing education for our home buyers and homeowners. It's such an important thing to have partnerships like this within the community because we all need to be able to support each other.
Hey, I'm Mike Kelly, the General Manager of the Brothers That Just Do Gutters here in the Hudson Valley. Things like this are so important to us as a company. It's our mission to be community friendly, have an impact on our community, and this is one of the biggest ways we think we could help here locally in the Hudson Valley.